Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. In PostgreSQL, which function is used to convert a string into its vector for full-text search purposes? The correct answer is option B, to underscore its vector. Which index type is generally most efficient for indexing JSON data when you need to search for specific keys or key-value pairs using the @ operator? The correct answer is option C, JSON. What does the lead window function do in a PostgreSQL query? The correct answer is option B, returns the value evaluated at the row that is a certain number of rows after the current row. Which partitioning method was introduced in PostgreSQL 10 as part of declarative partitioning? The correct answer is option B, range partitioning. In the context of PostgreSQL foreign data wrappers, FDW, what is the purpose of the import foreign schema command? The correct answer is option B. To create local table definitions, foreign tables, based on tables existing on a remote server. Which constraint type ensures that no two rows in a table overlap on a specific range or geometry using an index backcheck? The correct answer is option C, exclusion constraint. When using a recursive common table expression, CTE, what is the purpose of the union all or union operator within the with recursive clause? The correct answer is option A, to join the non-recursive term with the recursive term. Which extension must be enabled to provide spatial and geographic objects/functions in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, PostGIS. What is the primary difference between physical replication and logical replication in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. Physical replication uses WL files to replicate the exact block-level state, while logical replication streams data changes based on replication slots. Which command line utility is used to back up an entire PostgreSQL instance, including global objects like roles and table faces? The correct answer is option D, PG_dumpall. In an insert on conflict statement, which clause is used to perform an update when a row already exists? The correct answer is option B, doUpdate. What is a materialized view in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, a view that stores the result of a query physically on disk and can be refreshed. Which transaction isolation level in PostgreSQL protects against phantom reads and is the strictest level available? The correct answer is option D, serializable. Which index type is specifically designed for nearest neighbor KNN searches in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option C, gist. What is the main purpose of the auto vacuum daemon in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to reclaim space from deleted or updated rows and update statistics. PostgreSQL supports table inheritance. If table child inherits from table parent, what happens by default when you query select asterisk from parent? The correct answer is option B, It returns rows from both the parent and child tables. Which of the following is a built-in range type in PostgreSQL used to store a range of integers? The correct answer is option B, int4 range. What is row-level security (RLS) in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, a mechanism to restrict which rows a user can see or modify based on a policy. When using explain, analyze, buffers, what does the buffers option provide? The correct answer is option B, the number of shared blocks hit, read, dirted, and written. Which operator is used to check if a JSON document contains another JSON document, containment? The correct answer is option C, at. Where does PostgreSQL store the statistics it collects about the distribution of data in columns for the query planner? The correct answer is option B, PG_statistic. On which type of database object can an instead of trigger be defined? The correct answer is option B, view. To generate a version 4 UUID in PostgreSQL using the UUIDOSP extension, which function should you call? The correct answer is option C, UUID_generate_v4. What is the purpose of a lateral join in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to allow a subquery in the from clause to reference columns from preceding items in the from list. Which command is used to add a new extension to a PostgreSQL database? The correct answer is option C, create extension. What is a tablespace in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, a physical location on the file system where data files are stored. In PostgreSQL, what is the difference between a role and a user? The correct answer is option C. There is no functional difference. A user is just a role with the login attribute. What are advisory locks in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, locks with application-defined meanings that are not enforced by the data integrity layer. Which function is used to expand an array into a set of rows? The correct answer is option B, honest. What does TOAST stand for in the context of PostgreSQL storage? The correct answer is option B, the oversized attribute storage technique. Thank you for watching.